Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Legend Ninja here, back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do one tap headshot with M187 shotgun. So first you take M187 shotgun and just move around here and there. So just try the one tap, whatever how you'll do it. So leave it. So first what you got to do is you have to click the shoot button and click the punch button. So as you can see the numbers 1 and 2. Okay guys, so you have to do that and 1 2 1 2 like that you have to do. Okay guys, so now next what you have to do, you can just you have to just go in these target spot places and again practice the same thing 1 2 1 1 2. So click the fire button and click the punch button. Okay guys, now next you have to add one more button, which is the sprint button. The sprint button means the running button guys. So you have to do this. So just add the sprint button. Again see the numbers guys. 1 is for the sprint button, 2 is for the punch button, and 3 is for the what do you call the punch button. Yeah, fire button and then punch button, sorry. So don't drag and all, just click it. For now just click it guys. No need to do anything. So what you have to do is now practice that. Now if you're going to swim, you're not going to directly do everything at one shot, right? Your sir teaches you steps. So same thing is over here. So don't try to do everything. Okay guys, now next you have to add jump button. Sorry, I did one tap. So next you have to do is a jump button. So as you can see the numbers. Okay guys, you can do that down and up also, which I just got one tap. And sorry for the noise guys. So yeah, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share. And this is my first video which I'm doing it very informative. So now let's go to the training ground and we'll see some clips, I guess. No, not now, I'll show you all later. So you have to jump and shoot guys. Okay, jump and shoot, run, jump, shoot. You all saw the numbers, so you all will understand. So you have to run. As soon as you jump, right, you have to click the gun button. Okay, so these are the training ground clips. Okay, so now I'm not doing any headshots guys. I'm just going to show you just what we've practiced. No need to drag or anything. Okay guys, just practice that for normally time pass. See that guys? Leave it. So you have to practice that way. Okay, see again. No going for headshots. No going for headshots. Okay, let's see if I can get him with 9 XP. Okay, I got him. So practice like that only guys. I will die now. Somebody will take me. See that guy just spawned from behind. There. So guys, practice the same thing. Run, jump and kick the button. You all saw the numbers, so you'll understand. I'll try one tap now guys. Okay, there, one tap. Chrono. I'll take this, add him one tap. Chal, come. One tap. So guys, y'all will be able to do one tap like me guys. So that is it. So now it's for the custom HUD. Click the custom HUD. Click the sensitivity should always be 90 to 100. Okay guys, 90 to 100. Okay, I would recommend you to put it to 100. and the red dot keep it 90 to 100. Okay guys, so I'll keep it 95. For me, I get headshots with 95 only. And the other 2x scope, free look or anything that you can do on your own, whatever, that doesn't matter. Controls also not my thing. It's your settings. And yeah, that's all for the custom HUD. Now I have to do for the custom HUD. Sorry, first it was for the sensitivity. So fire button always between 40. Size between only 40 and 60. Between 40 to 60. I keep it 45 guys, so I can drag it very nicely and get one taps. 40 and 60. So you all can keep it anything what you all want. I'll keep it 44, 45, 46. Any of those three numbers. That's all you have to change. So guys, as you can see now, your headshots. So your aim should be white guys. If your aim is not white, you won't get headshot if he's running sideways. See this guys, my aim is white. So now if he's standing straight, you have to aim at the chest and drag up, straight drag. Okay guys, so again, as you can see, let's do it in slow-mo. Here you can see he's coming straight, aim at the chest and right drag. Okay, straight drag till your weapon switch. Okay, so yeah, now as you can see this clip, he's running, so that my aim was white guys. If it would have been red, then it wouldn't have happened. So when after you make your aim white, you have to drag where his head is, either right or left. So his head was on the left. So if he's running straight or running away from you have to keep it on the chest. And if he's sideways, then you have to aim on any other sides. Okay guys, so you have to always remember this and keep it in mind. So then you will be able to do headshots like this. One tap. So aim at the, it should be white. That's all you have to remember. Okay guys, so now thanks for watching. Comment below if you learned how to do it, and join the Discord, link is in the description and in the comment box. So see you in the next one guys. Peace.